One of the amazing charts that you can use to clarify the change of a value over a time is the race bar chart. In race bar chart, values are arranged from higher to lower, and in case of change, the order change. And over the time, you can see the value change. We have category, a value to display, and a time period. It is a little bit hard to create such chart using any of this application, but Microsoft brings this technology or this concept to PowerBI. So if you have a PowerBI desktop, you can add this bar chart, race bar chart visualization. To do so, you have to search or get more visuals, and to open the PowerBI visuals, you have to sign in into your PowerBI. To sign in on the PowerBI, all you need is an email, a business email, any email or a custom email, and I believe it is very easy to get. Anyway, you can search for the chart. In this case, we need the race chart. Once you find, you can add, and in my case, it is already added. Our value is very straightforward. We have some product, and this product related to some manufacturers, and we have total revenue over a date. So this file, sales in English, is not a huge file. It is about 55,000 record, and we use this file just for explanation purpose, but in real scenarios, you can end with millions of rows, and PowerBI will work fine. Anyway, we will close this file, and using PowerBI, I will refer to the file. My file is ready, is well organized, so I can directly load the file. Now the file is loaded. All I need to do is to insert the animated bar chart race. I need to compare the product, so I go to the product ID as a name, nothing happened. I need to compare the total revenue, I get it in a value, and also nothing has happened. But once I added the date as my period, the magic will start. Now this bar chart is using day, month, quarter. If I need only years, I will delete year, I delete month, day, and keep the year. And now this comparison is go year by year. Now I'm comparing the product. At any time I can switch my mind. I need to compare the manufacturer, not the product. So this is sales from Huawei, TCL, Samsung. Of course, data is fake data, it's not a real one. Anyway, enjoy the race bar chart in PowerBI.